In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access apps and notifications. Then click on App Settings. Click on Most Recent at the top and pick the best option for you, like Most Frequent. Now you can tap on blue switchers next to all of your apps from which you want to block notifications and switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!